Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is a class 9 for the subject of mathematics, topic Pythagoras Theorem and Factorization. Children, you have your unit test on 20th July 2021, and these two chapters are there in the unit test. So let us discuss these two chapters in this video. Okay, students? So, children, let us start with the Pythagoras theorem. Children, you know that if you have a right angle triangle, this is your right angle triangle, ABC, and where angle B is equal to 90 degree. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle ABC, the square of hypotenuse, children, here hypotenuse is AC, is equal to the square of sum of two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. I repeat, now in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Okay, this is AB is called perpendicular and BC is called base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, will be equal to the sum of square of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Now children, let us discuss questions based on Pythagoras theorem. So your question number 1 is, children, in this triangle, AC is given 13 centimeter, BC is given 5 centimeter, and you have to find AB. So now let's write the values in the given triangle. AC is 13 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and children, you have to find the AB. Okay, so let us take X. So let us start the solution of this question. Children, you know that in a right angled triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Okay, so now children, here AC is given, BC is given. Let's find out AB. So AC is 13 square, AB is x. We have considered AB as x. So it will be x square and BC is your 5 square. Okay. So now let's solve it. 13 square. It is 13 into 13. That is 169. It is x square and 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. Okay. Now children, this is a simple equation. You have to solve this. 25 will go on the other side and it will become minus 25, which is equal to x square. 169 minus 25 will be 144. Okay, so now you know that it is a square. When it goes other side, it will become square root. Okay, and square root will be 144, and your answer is square root of 144 is 12. Okay, so children, what is the value of AB in this question? The value of AB is 12 centimeter. So children, by using Pythagoras theorem, we have solved this equation and we got the value of third side, that is, which is not given to us. I hope children, you are clear with this question. Now children, let us discuss question number 2. Now children, in question number 2, you have to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter. So children, this is your equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, you know that. And if this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6, and this one is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so now you have to find the altitude. So children, first you have to draw an altitude. And I guess everyone knows what is an altitude. Children, altitude divides the other side in two equal parts. It bisects the line in two equal parts with 90 degree. Okay, so this is a perpendicular line and it will divide BC in two equal parts. So children, just remember, in case of an equilateral triangle, your altitude will bisect the other line segment. Okay, so now here it means AD is perpendicular to BC and It bisects BC also. So here you can say that BD is equal to DC. Okay, children. So now, if children BC is 6 centimeter, so can you tell me what will be the value of BD? Can you tell me what will be the value of BD? Yes, if whole is of 6 centimeter, BD will be half. So it will be 3 centimeter because it is half of BC. Okay, so BD will be equal to half of BC, that is half of 6. So you will get 3 centimeter. Is it clear, children? So this is 3 centimeter. Now you can do your sum because you can apply Pythagoras theorem in the first triangle. Let's use that. Your triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AD is the altitude and AB is the hypotenuse. So children, here AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay. So now AB is given to us 6 centimeter. So you can write 6 square. AD we have to calculate. So we will write as it is. You can take that X also or you can keep it like this only. And BD is 3. So you can write 3 square. Fine. Now let's solve it. 6 square is 36. And AD square will remain as it is. And 3 square is 9. Okay. So now what you will do? You will take 9 on the other side. Okay. So it will be 36 minus 9, which is equal to AD square. Okay, children. So further, you have to subtract and you will get your answer. So children, here AD square will be equal to 36 minus 9, that is 27. Okay. So further, you can write AD as square root 27. Here we always take a positive value because the side is always positive. Okay. So now 27 can be further written as 3 root 3. Okay. I guess everyone knows how to find the square root. It will be 3. Okay. 3 nines are, 3 threes are, and 3 ones are. So 3 will come out and inside the square root, 3 will be there. So your AD is 3 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So altitude is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. Now children, let us discuss question number 3. Now children, in this question, you are given with the rhombus ABCD. You can check out in the figure. This is your ABCD rhombus. And you have to prove that AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So now children, let's draw the diagonals of this rhombus. So this is, if I join B to D, it will become a diagonal. And if I join A to C vertex, it will become a second diagonal. So children, if you remember the property of the rhombus, you know that the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. So it means if I take this as O, this OB is equal to OD and OA is equal to OC. Okay. So the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. Now let's start the answer. Children, in this we have to prove, you have to be very smart that what you have to find out. Okay. Here we need AB. We need AB square. So children, let's take the triangle where AB is there. So I'm taking the smaller triangle, this one. Okay. This triangle I'm taking. So in this right angle triangle AOB, can you tell me what will be the Pythagoras theorem for this? You can apply Pythagoras theorem in this because it's a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square, that is AB square, will be equal to OA square plus OB square. Okay, I got the first thing, but I need 4. Okay, from where this 4 will come? Okay, so now children, be careful because OA is the half part of AC. Okay, if AC is 6, OA will be 3, half. Okay, so children, you have to agree with me that OA is actually half of AC. And what about OB? Yes, you are right. OB is also half of diagonal, that is BD. Okay, so children here, instead of OA, I can substitute AC upon 2 because it is half of AC. And instead of OB, what can I substitute here? BD upon 2. Okay, now square, let's do it. It will be AC square upon 4 plus BD square upon 4. And if you take further LCM, 4 is the LCM and you will get AC square plus BD square. Okay, and now just last step is left. Now send 4 on the other side. You will get 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, and I guess children, this is what you have to prove. Okay, you can check out, this is what we have to prove, that 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, only left hand side and right hand side are different, otherwise it's same. So children, be careful, you have to practice, then only you will understand this. Okay, now children, let's look at the question number 4. You have a triangle ABC, let's name it, and where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and this is your 90 degree. Now let's see what else is given. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, this is your BC and D is somewhere in between. Okay, so let's join it with the vertex A. Okay, now let's see what we have to find out here. You have to prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Okay, so let's start the solution of this question. Now look at this figure very carefully. Now children, we have to prove AC square equal to something. Okay, so can you see AC in the triangle? Yes, see, this is your AC. Let me show you with the another color. This is my AC. Yes, children, this is AC. So can you tell me, can I take triangle ABC to use Pythagoras theorem? Yes. So let's see, in triangle, right angle triangle ABC, I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. How? Hypotenuse is AC, so I can write AC and AB square plus BC square. Okay. So children, this is BC square. Now what else I can do with this question? I can just do, this whole thing is given BC. Children, can I write this BC in the form of two things, that is BD plus DC? Yes, can I write that? Yes, because BC is a full segment and instead of BC, I can write BD plus DC. Now you can use your formula here, A plus B whole square. So you can write A square plus B square plus 2 times A into B. Okay, children, what I have done, I have used the formula of A plus B whole square. Okay, children, I'm going to erase it and let's see what we will get it here. Now, children, you have to just get the answer. Okay, so can you see, if you combine AB square plus BD square, just look at your figure, AB square plus BD square. I'm just showing you with the black line so that it will be more clear. So when this is my AB square, fine, and this one is my BD square. So children, can you tell me, if I just do AB square plus BD square, what I will get? Can you tell me what I will get? Yes, because in this is the Pythagoras theorem, and what I will get AD square. Okay, so AB square plus BD square is actually your BD square. Okay, so instead of that, you can write BD square. Okay, and now children, DC is fine. You will write DC because we need in the question. Now, you know that BD and DC are equal because D is the midpoint. And I don't need BD in the question. So instead of BD, I can write DC because I need DC because they are equal. So I can, instead of BD, I can write what I can write here, DC. Okay. And children, this is, sorry, this is AD square. Okay. AB square plus BD square will be AD square. Okay. So just let me write it again. It is actually AD square. Okay. Now let's do it. DC square plus 2 times DC into DC, D square. Okay. So now finally, if you combine it, you will get AD square plus 3 times DC square. Children, I have erased it, but actually you have to prove this only. AB square is equal to AD square plus 3 times DC square. Okay. So children, while doing the Pythagoras theorem, you have to be very particular that what is given and what you have to calculate. Now children, let us discuss few questions based on factorization. Now children, let us discuss questions based on factorization. Let me tell you quickly that what is a factorization and what we do in that. Now children, factorization means if you're given with any algebraic expression, okay, so you have to write this algebraic expression as the product of two things. Okay, it can be a number into algebraic expression, anything. Okay, so now let's see in this question. You have so many things we have already discussed in our previous video. Children, the first thing is that you have to check out, is anything common between them? Yes, you can see x is common. So if you take out common from both the terms, inside it will be x, and in the second term only y will left. Okay. So now children, this is called factorization. So you can say that x and x plus 5 are the factors of x square plus xy. Is it clear? This is what we do in factorization. Now, children, I'm going to take few questions from your book exercise. So I'm not going to mention the question number, but we'll do directly. Let's do factorization. Question number 1. Your question is AQ plus AB times 1 minus 2A minus 2B square. Okay. So now children, what I can do in this question? First thing, what I will do is I will open the bracket. Okay. So it is AQ plus AB into 1. AB minus. Now multiply 2A into AB. It will be 2A square B. Fine. And minus 2 will remain as it is. Now let's try to take out something common. Let's check out if anything is there. Okay. So here it is, let's combine first two and the last two. I guess children, from the first two, what is common? Can you see what is common? Yes, A is common. So inside it will be A square plus B. Now can you tell me what is common in the next two? See, minus 2 is common if I take out, and even B is also common. So I will take out minus 2B common. So inside the bracket, it will be A square plus B. Because B square may say already B is out. Okay, so it is that. Now, children, this is first term. This is the second term. Can you see? Again, there is common in this question. What is common? A square plus B. So I have taken out common. So in the first term, only A is left. And in the second term, minus 2B is left. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is the way we have done the factorization. So you can say that this algebraic expression can be factorized in this way. Okay, children. Now let us discuss question number 2 based on factorization. Now question number 2 is x minus y minus x square plus y square. Okay, children. And I told you in the factorization, sometimes we use the formula identity that the square of the difference of square and the difference of cube and the sum of cube. Okay, so we should know all these formulas, then only we can do. Okay, so in the question I will let you know. Now, children, let's combine the terms first. Be careful. Here it is, I'm combining these two and these two. So the first one is x minus y only. And from the another one, minus is common. I'm taking out. So it will become x square minus y square. Okay. So the first will remain as it is. And from the second one, I can use the formula. That is a square minus b square. And everyone knows we have already done, that is a minus b, that is x minus y, into a plus b, that is x plus y. Okay. Now, children, first term is x minus y. Second term is this one. So can you see, can you tell me that what is common? What is common in this? Yes, x minus y is common because we have x minus y on both the sides. So let's take out common. X minus y will remain, it will be outside, and here it will be only 1 minus, and in the second term, x plus y is left. Why I have used a square bracket, children? Because their outside is minus sign. Okay, so we have to do one more step. So it will be x minus y, 1 minus x minus y. Okay, so this is your answer. This is the way we do our factorization. I hope, children, you are clear with this question. This is very easy, just you have to be very careful about this. Now let's discuss question number 3. Okay, now here you are having 2x raised to power 7 minus 128x. Okay, only two things. Okay, you will just think that it's very easy, but it is going to be a very lengthy one. Okay, let's find out the common first. Children, what is common in this? Yeah, 2 is common, and in fact, x is common. So I have taken 2x common. So in the first term, x raised to power 6 is left. Okay, because 2 is out, x is out, so only x 6 is left, and 128. Okay, because 2 is out, so only inside it will be 64. Okay, so 164x is out. Fine, children. Now you have to see how will you break this to get the answer. Now, children, because it's still not yet over, now you know that x raised to power 6 can be written as x2 whole cube. Fine. And 64 can be written as 4 cube. Okay. So why I have written? Because it can be factorized more. If you leave your answer here only, you will not get any credit. You have to solve it more. Okay. So now, children, here we got the formula a cube minus b cube. And I guess everyone knows the formula. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? Yes, tell me. Okay, so let's discuss a cube minus b cube is actually a minus b. Okay, then it is a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, this is the formula. So let's apply the formula here. 2x will be out. So here a is actually x square and b is 4. So let's write it a minus b. Fine. Then a square, that is x square. So it will become x4 plus b square. Children, b is here. I have written here 4. 4 fours are 16 plus a into b. A into b. So it is 4x square. Fine. So this is your thing. And now further, further you can factorize this. This is not difficult, just you have to practice. Fine. So now here, x can be written as x square and 4 can be written as 2 square. And rest can be written as it is only because you can't do anything. Fine. So now in this, you can use the formula again, a square minus b square. So it will become a minus b into a plus b, and rest will be as it is. Okay. So this is your final answer. Okay. So the question was very short, only 2x, 7 minus 128x. Okay. And answer is quite big. Okay. You are having so many factors. Now, children, let us discuss the factorization by using splitting the middle term. Okay, this is a very important method. You have to use this in a trinomial. Now, children, if three terms are given, then you can use this method, splitting the middle term. Okay, now let me explain you. Already we have discussed, but let's see. Now, children, next question is x square plus 7x minus 18. Okay, so now you have to do your rough work also here. Now, children, I told you in the beginning that first you have to find the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. Okay, so let's see what is that. 1 into minus 18. You will get minus 18. Now, children, you have to find the factors of 18 so that your answer comes out 7. Okay, let's check out. I am taking 18 as 2 and 9. 9 twos are 18. Let's check out whether you subtract or add. Will you get the answer as 7? Let's do that. If I do 9 minus 2, what is that? Yes, I got the answer in the beginning only. Because 18 can be written as 2 nines are 18. Fine. So now if I add 9 plus 2, 11, I will not get. So let's subtract 9 minus 2. That is 7. Okay, and negative sign will also come because in the product it's that. So answer is minus 18, and if you subtract, then also you will get 7. So this is the right choice. Okay, so x square, instead of 7, you are splitting the middle term, can write 9 minus 2. Okay, rest will remain as it is. You are just splitting the middle term. So x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18. Now take the common from first two and the last two. You will get x as a common. It will become x plus 9. And here it is minus 2, x plus 9. Fine. So now you are, again, there is something common. X plus 9 is common. So next will remain x minus 2. Okay. So children, this is the factorization by using splitting the middle term. Okay. Now, children, let's do the another question based on this method only. I'm doing splitting the middle term. Okay. This is a very important method. So you should be clear with this first. Okay. Now let's do question number 2 of the splitting the middle term. You have here 2x square plus 3x minus 90. Okay. So children, what is your first step in this? First, find the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. What is 2 into minus 90? It is, yes, what it is? It will be 180. Okay, so your product is 180 minus 180. Now you have to break this, you have to find the factor of 180 so that your answer comes 3. Okay, so you have to find out two factors whose sum or addition or subtraction comes 3. Now children, let's do it. So the first factor is 2 into 90. It will not make 3. 90 plus 2, 92. 90 minus 2, 88. So it will not work out. It's wrong. Now let's check another one. 3 into 60. Again, it will not make. Okay, so you have to keep on trying. Now, children, when you reach at 12 and 15, okay, just see 12 into 15 is 180. And if you subtract 15 and 12, you will get 3. Okay, so it means 15 and minus 12. Fine, because 15 and minus 12. If you multiply, you will get minus 180 and your subtraction is 3. So it means here you can write 2x square and 3 can be written as 15 minus 12. Okay, and rest everything will remain as it is. So that is 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90. Now you have to take common from first two and from the last two. Okay, so what is common from the first two? Only x. And inside it will be 2x plus 15. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, and what is common in this? Minus 6 is common. So inside it is 2x plus 15. Again, it is common. 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15 is common. So you will take out 2x plus 15 common. Inside it will be x minus 6. Children, this is your answer. Okay, so be careful about your splitting the middle term. Let us discuss the last question based on the splitting the middle term. Now, children, let's discuss another question. It is x square, y square, minus 12xy, minus 45. Now, children, in this question, we are given with two variables, x and y. So it's better we can solve it like this also, but it's better to take two variables, that is xy, as another variable, that is a. Okay, so xy, I'm taking a to make my calculation easier. So it is x square y square. So it has become a square minus 12a minus 45. Now I will solve this and later on I will substitute the value of a. Now let's do it with the splitting the middle term. What is the coefficient of a square? It's 1. Constant minus 45. So 1 into minus 45 is minus 45 only. Okay, let's check out whether we will get or not. So first one is 3 into 15. Yes, check out. 15 threes are 45 and you subtract it, you will get 12. But children, here you need minus. Okay, so here you will take minus 15. Fine, because you need minus sign. So the sign of the greater number should be there. So you will take as minus 15 plus 3. You will get minus 12. We need minus. Okay, so now let's split the middle term. Okay, so it will be a square minus 12. How can you write minus 12? I'm not taking minus because minus 12 I'll write directly. That is minus 15 plus 3a. Okay, minus 45. Now children, open it. A square minus 15a plus 3a minus 45 and take out the common from first two and the last two. That is a minus 15 plus 3 times a minus 15. So now again a minus 15 is common and inside it will remain a plus 3. Okay, so children, your sum is over. But still one thing is left. You remember? Because we have substituted a as something. Okay, so in the final answer, you have to put again a is xy. So xy minus 15 multiply xy plus 3. Okay, so this is your final answer. I hope, children, you have understood the topic and it will be really a great help for everyone to attempt question in your unit test. Okay, thank you, students.